Okay guys, we're gonna learn another trick from our magician all the way from Philippines. Smile roll, everybody, let's go. Let's show it. The magician.
Di ba?
Alright,
Bagsak mo ganon.
there you go. This is the
Ito, patong mo lang dito.
classic trick. Hey, English man, come on man, they're English speakers. Wow. How you do that? How you do that?
It's already like that.
Show us one more time. That's the magic, bro. Okay. How you put it in there?
Yes.
Okay, wow.
Nothing, right?
Nothing, right? Yes.
This, watch this finger. See?
How no man? Goodness. How you put it? No.
Mabalik tayo siya pag ganun.
Show me.
Bilog na yan pag ganun.
No, one more
Kakainin
time.
niya
One more time.
to. You like it?
Yeah, man. Ah, shit.
I have that one back home.
See?
I cannot.
How
There's
you-
nothing, huh?
Yeah.
Just drop it here. In this finger. And then leave it.
No, how you put this one inside there?
He's asking how you put it inside.
No, please. How is it?
It's gonna be inside because it's doing like this. And then it's gonna be like that, look. Until you go that way.
Yeah. And then?
Just lock, if you lock. Make sure you put this like this.
Oh, let me try. Oh, you flip the shit. Okay. That's a good trick, man. He got me. All right, find out. I'll try, guys. I'll try to be a magician now. So it was like this, yeah?
Drop it down first.
So bad. Okay.
Oh, higher.
Okay.
Nothing.
And then what I do is flip this one like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Finger.
No,
That's
still.
the finger.
That's it.
That's the finger.
It's a matter of practice.
This one touch this side and then we'll be like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
See?
higher, like that. There should be an angle. Just drop it.
And then
Just drop it. See? Got it, bro.
fuck that's physics, yeah, physics, man.
Magic.
I'm a magician now. Thank you,
Magic.
master.
Yes. You can look for more kids over there.